We're Team JTL here at Ultra Poly in Portland, Pennsylvania to show you how they make resin pellets from recycled materials.
Ultra Poly makes resin pellets from recycled material through various processes to ensure perfect quality pellets to sell to consumers.
In talking with Nick, the Vice President of Operations, he states that resin pellets are used in many applications, including garbage bags, containers for toiletries, in the manufacturing of hardware goods like shop vacs and other tools, furniture, and anything where the manufactured pellets can be utilized with recycled plastic products.
We're one of 2 companies in the entire world that's really recycling stuff in volume. We recycle about a truckload a day of this material. Very high quality polyethylene that we're getting off the fracking fields and recycling and going back into the market for different types of applications.
I come in, check out my machine, make sure everything's running right, make sure none of the pipes are backed up, and then I'll get my material out of the rows here behind you with the forklift. I'll bring them over, put them up on the table, and then I'll cut the wires open, and then I'll run them with the Kubota behind me. I'll take it and stretch them all out in the belt, and after that, then it goes down to the extruder, then it's the extruder operator's job. I went to Votech school, a CIT. I learned a lot of hands-on stuff, like how to fix stuff, mathematics, all that stuff that helps me on my everyday tasks.
Because Ultra Poly runs on a 24/7 schedule, it is expected for parts to wear out. Since most of the machinery at the company's 2 plants were retrofitted by their own machine shop employees, it is important to make sure these machines receive proper maintenance on a regular schedule.
Pellets are quality control tested in the on-site lab to make sure that the pellet quality is up to the standards required by the companies who will use them.
So my job as a development engineer is to understand our customers' needs and either figure out how we can better test for them, or if they're a new customer, how we're going to test for them in the future.
Actually, I love working at Ultra Poly because, for one, it's a good learning environment because you get to turn something that was nothing into something.
It's cool because instead of a lot of plastic going into landfills or oceans and everything, we actually get to recycle it and it gets a second life, which is pretty cool.
I like it here because every day is new, there's always new problems to figure out, new problems to solve, and I like that.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing at Ultra Poly.